Hey guys, this is the bike check for Foxter FT402. The frame is aluminum alloy and the fork is Foxter alloy also. The shifters are Shimano Tourney STI. Its front derailleur is Shimano Tourney also. And also the rear derailleur is Shimano Tourney also, 7 speed. Its brake calipers are Winzip rim brakes. Its crank is RPE Pro Wheel with alloy crank arms. Its wheel set is Foxter 700C double wall. The drop bars are Foxter alloy and it's shallow bended. The stem is Foxter alloy 90mm. The seat post is Foxter alloy also. My saddle, I upgraded it to Virtue. So the stock one, I sold it. That's it for this video guys. I hope to see you in the next video. Subscribe guys.